Hey guys, this is Ruddy, and today we're gonna be talking about how to train our brain to think something in English, or how to train any ideas in English. By watching this video, I believe all of you possibly think about something would be hard to stick to. Maybe thinking in English is quite difficult to follow. I couldn't do it because I am the Cambodian friend, all right? I am a Cambodian friend. I couldn't do it. I think I speak only Khmer language. I don't speak English language. So this is the reason I don't believe I can think in English. This is the reason I am asking everybody simply right now, just try to watch my video and also listening to the same thing and pay attention as much as you could, because all I am saying, I'm trying my best to explain, to tell you very easy, step by step, simple and very simple, to make sure you can understand the process to engage thinking in English faster as you could. Okay, so first of all, stop believing that you can't. Now you have to take a look right here. We got three particular fundamental habits, or we could say the three rules that you have to follow immediately. First, we are talking about your self-confidence. Right now, what you have to do, you need to trust yourself by watching this video and then learn to listen to what I am saying. This moment, you are training your brain to think about my idea, to think about my perspectives, what I am referring to, or what I literally want you guys to get to. Easy. So number two, you have to drop out your bad habit or maybe your negative mindset, right? So this is about a beautiful time that you have to believe in yourself, trust yourself, and think possibly that you can do it. Okay, just only listening to what I am saying, also watching. Yeah, this is going to give you time to train your brain for the real-time talk in this video. So move to the last one here, number three, methods. So here we actually got the three fundamental keys or key measures to stick to. You have to follow at any cost to make sure you understand fundamentally, you understand fully about the questioning phase, thinking of phase, and explaining phase. So when you understand each stage, you literally can process your thinking with me right now. Okay, so first of all, think about right now you don't have any ideas, okay? Your brain is empty completely, right? You don't have anything to think about. It sounds like you don't know what to say. But right now, by listening to what I am saying, you possibly can imagine something would be doubtful or something would be questionable to you. Like, why I am watching this video? Now I give you maybe a few minutes to think about why you decides to watch this video. Yeah, can you give me a few reasons why do you like watching this video? Why do you think this video is important or quite interesting to watch, right? If you think about it, you will imagine, you will think possibly about some beautiful points, or maybe impactful points might lead you to understand you have to watch this video for those reasons or for some particular reasons, right? Trust me, this is the reason that we actually come to think something in English. When we actually don't try to question something, yeah, at the first time, if you don't like questioning something in English, something as the ideas won't come to you. Yeah, so that's why questioning something at the first, even though you don't have any ideas or you don't have any things to think about, but when you start questioning something, you will process the ideas to think about, or some kind of needed things would be applied to think about. This is so beautiful for learning English, just like that one. Okay, and this is like our rules. And again, you guys watch this video and don't get back to command. I am asking you simply again. By watching this video, all I need you to do is keep watching carefully and sticks to my thoughts. Think about what I am saying. It's very easy to get to. So that's why you have to based on my English thinking or based on my points, and try to write down anything that you listen to, any words, any phrases that I have spoken recently in this video. And now I have been speaking for many minutes. Yeah, as now you can see. So it's just like that, very easy. And if you think you would like to speak English immediately with me right now, you can do so. Yeah. Don't worry, just pause the video and just let me know right now what are you thinking about my video. It's bad, it's good. Why it's bad? Why it's good? Why not it's good? Why not it's bad? Yeah, you have to clarify something like that. By watching something, by questioning something, you have to give yourself explanation. See that? This is the process. So when I am asking or when I was asking you, at the moment, like, what do you think about my video? And you possibly think, right? You simply think about the video for minutes and you will come to your last explanation. So you have to give yourself explanation about this video at least. So here, remember, we don't need you to give us all the best answer or like good quality answer, maybe the professional answer. We don't need that. All we need just what do you think about it? Just it is good, it is bad, or the video is some kind of interesting, impressive, or fantastic. So just go for that idea and tell me, simply write down in the comment to make sure what are you thinking about. This is see, right now you actually with me in this video more than like 20 minutes that we are listening. You are listening to me right now and I am speaking something to tell you the process of thinking in English back to you. So we are doing two jobs differently, but in one way to improve our thinking the same. But the key that I want you to do right now when you listen to, you can pause my video and just give yourself self-explanation. Like, what do you think by my request, right? Yeah, so that's why now I would like to give you another key. So imagine that you are no idea, okay? You don't have any ideas to think about. So this is very simple key. Just pick any object or the visible object and then you have to describe. So in order to describe something simply, you don't have to take a look like by giving so details of the object you are looking at. Just when you take a look at something and just call the name of that thing. What is the name of that thing? Think about it. The name of the thing. So look at this one. This is the pen, right? So when you take a look with me right here in front of the camera, but this is opposite. This is in front of my face. Yeah, literally. And you have to tell me what is the color of the pen, why this pen is so benefit to me, or what is the benefit of the pen, right? How many reasons that I could say about the pen. So what if, see that? What if I use this pen to write down anything? What will I get? So what if I sell the pen to someone for a good price? So how much do I get for this pen? How much do I receive for this pen, for selling this pen? Yeah? Or I can describe the color of it. I can describe the shape of the pen. I can talk a little bit more detail for the product, quality product of some kind. And this is how we are going to think about something visibly, in front of our face, and then we enjoy describing. This is the way we explain something. So your idea would be formed at the moment. So that's why. And one more point, this is the first video only. I will make other videos to make sure everybody will stick to, and you can practice your thinking with me by watching the video and yeah, like do some kind of possible exercises. I am on a camera right now. Everybody's watching on my YouTube channel, but try your best. Don't quit. Okay? Thinking in English is not happening just like one day or just like for a moment. Okay. So again, you have to understand the key. Learn to question yourself, right? Learn to question something about you, what you see. Question something you see. Question something you think about. Question something you are not, comprehensive to, or question something that you don't understand. And at least you have to process your thinking. Think about the exact point of it. Take a few minutes to do so. By questioning, you can apply WA question forms. Yeah, like what it is, why is that thing? Yeah, you have to question like that. When it is, yeah, you have to ask for the time, and you can ask for where is it, the location of the stuff. So when you begin to question something like that, you are processing your thinking in English. Yeah, this is the rule. Remember, do not try to get back to Khmer. Whenever you begin thinking in English, I believe strongly you will supposed to be stuck, or you become stuck still in thinking something. It doesn't work, it doesn't come, because you do not have the information about that thing. So that's why you are supposed to be stuck. You are supposed to be in the middle of your thought. You couldn't move forward. In this case, all you have to do, repeat what you actually have spoken earlier, or you have to think at least about your main idea. Like, what are you doing right now? Just question something about your current position, your current topic is. Yeah, you have to question what is your next move, what you have mentioned earlier. By repeating something just like that, it's going to give you the time to rephrase, the time to rethink the thing you have spoken earlier or you have explained earlier. This is the great key to make sure you never lose your point to think in English, right? At least you actually can process when you become stuck. And don't panic, believe me. Don't be nervous, yeah? Don't be scared of thinking something in English that you have no idea about. Sometimes we have to enjoy something that we don't know. Enjoy thinking something that we haven't thought before. Just take a few minutes and learn to guess, learn to make the condition of the point. So imagine that I haven't been to America for once, and I just have heard the news. I received a lot of news from other friends. They have mentioned a lot about the America or United States of America, United States of America. And I feel I would like to know. I would like to travel too. But I don't have any idea. I don't have any information. And then I just learned to think about that. Like, okay, what if I have a chance to travel to the America for free? Like, the expansion would be free, no charge at all. Maybe it would be covered by the organization, non-organization, whatever, and maybe by other programs. So let's talk about I have chance to go there. And what should I do? Maybe I will enjoy what? America. What is so popular? What is so interesting to do? What is so impressive to follow? So maybe I should go to the, try the food. Number one. Number two, maybe I have to understand the culture in America. Let's find out what people exactly do over there for the way they talk, the way they eat, the way they speak, some kind like that. Could be interesting to follow, to take a look, and to get to. Maybe I have to observe daily, from one state to another state, if I can do so. What if, this is like just only the opportunity possibly could be happening in the future, but it's not happening now. It's just like my imagination or just my thoughts that I just think for a moment. See that? So don't be afraid to think about something and tell the reason why. If you have a chance to do this, to do that, so what would it be? And why you go there? Yeah, just give some reason about that. Don't worry about something could be fake. could be true, because all we train to do is just like try to speak something in English only. See that? Thank you so much. I think the first video could be done, and I will give you guys the topics, and then we will think about, we will enjoy thinking, and we will enjoy speaking something more, and you guys will train your brain to think like what I am doing right now. All right, and thank you so much for watching. I think it could be reaching to more than 30 minutes, maybe like 20 minutes to 30 minutes approximately within the time like that. But anyway, I would like to say thank you for watching from the beginning until now. You guys like learning English, so stick to this page, this Telegram channel, Telegram. That would be like on my YouTube channel, Effortless English with Ready English program. So I see you in the next video, right? Very easy. See that? You can listen to what I'm saying. That means you can understand English well from today. And start speaking from today too. Yeah, it's not too late. So, goodbye. Have a good day.